Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to be a cop in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to open the interaction menu. On PC, press the M key on your keyboard. Once the interaction menu opens, navigate through the options and select Director Mode. Press Enter to load into Director Mode. After entering Director Mode, the next step is to change your character. Open the Actor Selection menu by pressing Enter. From here, scroll through the categories and select Emergency Services. Inside this section, choose LSPD as your character. Confirm your selection by pressing Enter. Once this is done, the game will load you in as a police officer. You are now officially a cop in GTA 5 and can explore the game in this role. So that's basically how you can be a cop in GTA 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!